5 seconds to go. Start. Food is as essential as air. Food security means availability of food to all, and available food is accessible to all, and accessible food is affordable to all people at all times. Here, food availability refers to availability of food in countries. Accessibility of food means food is within people's reach. Affordability for food refers to people are able to buy it. Creation of buffer stock is also done in this system. Food security is helpful at the time of natural disaster when there is lack of food. At the time of natural disaster like earthquake, food or drought, etc., production of food grains decreased, which creates a situation of decrease in food availability. The attainment of food security therefore involves eliminating current hunger and reducing the risks of future hunger. Famine of Bengal in 1943 was the most devastating famine. In rural areas, landless and small farmers, traditional artisans like blacksmith, providers of services like washermen, petty self-employed workers, and destitute are came under the category of food insecure. In urban areas, persons who employed in ill-paid occupations and casual laborers are food insecure. These laborers came under seasonal workers and have low wages. Children under the age of 5 years, large proportion of pregnant and nourishing mothers are also came under the category of food increase and food insecure. Person who is not able to fulfill their daily requirements or people came below poverty line are also food insecure. People belonging to some scheduled castes and OBC are also came under the head of food insecure. In India, some states has large number of food insecure like Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, parts of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Hungers are also came under the category of food insecure. It has chronic and seasonal dimensions. When a person is unable to get work for entire year, then they came under the category of it is related to cycles of food growing and harvesting. This is prevalent in rural areas because of the seasonal nature of agricultural activities, and in urban areas because of the casual labor that is there is less work for casual construction labor during the rainy season. This type of hunger exists when a person is unable to get work for the entire year. Chronic hunger is a consequence of diets persistently inadequate in terms of quantity. A person who has low level of income is came under the category of chronic hunger. This table shows different year production of food grains in India. During the period of 1965-1995, production of wheat increased by more than 4 times in the state of Punjab and Haryana. Because of availability of sufficient food grains, the government of India introduced food security system like public distribution system, buffer stock. The farmers sell their food grains at minimum supply price, that is pre-announced price of the government. This food grains stored in the warehouse of Food Corporation of India. This stock of food grains is called buffer stock. System of providing food grains from Food Corporation of India to the poor section of the society as at subsidized rate. This program was launched in 1992 in 1700 backward blocks in the country. This is a food security program. For the implementation of this system, many programs are launched by the government of India like the Antyodaya Anna Yojana, which is for poorest of the poor, and the Annapurna schemes, which is more for needy senior citizens. These two programs are launched in 2000. For take the benefit of public distribution system, the government of India provide three type of ration card. Antyodaya cards for the poorest of the poor, BPL card for the people living below poverty line, APL card for other all people. About 5.5 lakh ration shops or fair price shops are here all over the country for implementation of this system. At the time of introducing of public distribution system, it was for all category of people, that is there was no discrimination between the poor and non-poor. In 1992, Government of India decided to launch revamped public distribution system in 1992 with the aim to start it in 1700 blocks in the country. Stop.